Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of changing your profile picture in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, locate the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of the browser window. Next to it, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it. Step 3. After clicking on your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select the Edit option. This will take you to your Google account settings. Step 4. In your Google account settings, scroll down until you find the Personal Info section. Underneath your current profile picture, you'll see the option to Add Profile Picture. Click on it. Step 5. After clicking Add Profile Picture, a window will open with various options. Select From Computer to choose a picture saved on your PC. Step 6. To add your new profile picture, you have two options. You can either drag and drop the photo into the designated area, or click on Upload from Computer to manually select the image. And there you have it. By following these 6 simple steps, you can easily change your profile picture in Chrome on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.